You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this biblical name. If you want to learn more names from the Bible that are confusing and learn their correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. In English, Parmenas, 3 syllables. Let's break them down. Pa, or par in American English. Me, nas. The stress is on the first syllable. Therefore, it's quite simple. Once you know, listen carefully. And remember, I'll say it 3 times. Parmenas, Parmenas, Parmenas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.